Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, constantly feeling like your money slips through your fingers? Imagine waking up without the stress of bills piling up or wondering where your paycheck went. This simple budgeting strategy could change your financial life forever, helping you finally take control of your money and start building the life you want. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more practical financial tips that'll help you get ahead. Now, let's get started. Before we dive into the budgeting details, let's start with a quick reality check. Most of us don't realize exactly where our money is going, and that's half the battle. Think about it. Do you know how much you spent on food last month? Entertainment? Little things like coffee runs? Let's break this down with a simple exercise. Take a look at your bank statement or your budgeting app if you have one, and categorize your spending. For example, John from Michigan realized he was spending $300 a month just on takeout meals. Once he saw the numbers, it became clear where he could cut back. This is the first step toward financial freedom, knowing where your money is going. Now that you know your spending habits, it's time to introduce a foolproof method for budgeting, the 50-30-20 rule. This is where it all starts to make sense. 50% of your income goes toward needs: housing, groceries, utilities, transportation. 30% goes toward wants: dining out, entertainment, shopping. 20% goes towards savings and debt repayment. Let's use a relatable example. If you're earning $4,000 a month after taxes, $2,000 should go to your essentials, $1,200 to your fun and lifestyle, and $800 toward building your future. Sounds simple, right? But here's the magic. This structure gives you permission to enjoy your money while still being responsible. Hey, we all know life isn't always that straightforward. Maybe your rent is higher than what the 50% rule allows, or you have a unique situation like medical bills or debt hanging over your head. That's okay. Budgeting isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. Take Sarah from Texas. She was drowning in student loans but still wanted to enjoy her weekends with friends. So she adjusted. She cut her wants budget down to 20%, moved 10% to her savings, and doubled down on paying off her loans. The key is flexibility. If one area needs more attention, don't be afraid to shift the percentages. Just make sure you're balancing it out elsewhere. Here are a few practical tips to help you stick to your budget. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment accounts each month, just like you would with a bill. Out of sight, out of mind, and your savings grow. Use cash for discretionary spending. Ever heard of the envelope system? Set a limit for things like eating out, and when the cash in that envelope is gone, it's gone. No more credit card debt sneaking up on you. Track your progress monthly. Reviewing your budget at the end of each month helps you stay on track and adjust if necessary. Maybe you spent more on groceries this month and need to balance it out next month. No stress, just adjust. Budgeting isn't about depriving yourself. It's about giving yourself the freedom to live life without financial anxiety. Once you know where your money is going and have a plan to direct it, you'll feel more in control and less stressed about your future. If this video has helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more practical financial advice. Share it with a friend who could use a little budgeting help, and leave your questions or challenges in the comments below. I'm here to help you every step of the way. Let's take control of your money together.